How to create Discord account on mobile. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Discord application. Now tap on register. Now select email or phone number. Now tap on next. Now enter your name and tap on next. Now enter your password. Again tap on next. Now choose your date of birth. Tap on confirm and tap on create an account. Now click on confirm. Now verify the CAPTCHA. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question, want to search the topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.